everyone and welcome to Housey. My name is Purva and today we will be revealing the teaser of the residential project Sai Shrishti Leela by Sai Shrishti Enterprises located in Thane. As you can see, we are standing at the actual location of the project and this is the temporary sales office, and now I will take you and show you the permanent sales office and the actual land parcel. So as you can see, this is the sales office that is being constructed and this is the actual land parcel and the actual tower. The construction is in full swing as you can see. In this video, we will be discussing about points like project overview, location, amenities, carpet area, booking process, launch discount offers and many more. But first, let me tell you what is Housey. Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects developers directly to the home buyers, thereby giving you a bottom rate price. Unlike other current listing platforms where if you do an inquiry, your number is shared with different brokers, resulting in a lot of phone calls. But Housey is one such real estate platform where listing is done directly by the developer. So book your dream home today with your favorite developer through Housey. And now, talking about the project overview, this project is spread across the land parcel of 0.5 acres having one tower with G plus 19 stories having 1 BHK and 2 BHK residences. Talking about the location and connectivity, this project is located off Kalyan Shilfata Road, Thane, with Diva Station just 5 kilometers, upcoming metro station just 5 to 10 minutes walk, upcoming Airoli Tunnel just 10 minutes away, school, colleges, hospitals and shopping mall within 1 kilometer from the project. And now, talking about the amenities, this project has gym, kids play area, rooftop garden and many more amenities. And now, let's discuss the configuration and the carpet areas. As told, this project has 1 BHK and 2 BHK residences with 1 BHK carpet area ranging between 341 to 346 square feet and 2 BHK carpet area ranging between 497 to 508 square feet. Also, for pricing, brochure and other details, you can click on the link mentioned in the description below. And now, let's discuss about the booking process. The booking windows for this project is now open. The client can come and visit the site and the sales team will give you complete project overview along with the plans and pricing, and then if the client likes the project, they can book by paying a token amount of 45,000.
If you have any queries related to the project like pricing, exclusive pre-launch discounts, EOI process, brochure, or you want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients from UAE, US, Singapore, UK and other countries can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such new launch teaser videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.